So hi, it's Monday morning and sorry about the weekend, but I never got to do any daily art vlogs or anything because I got a bit carried away writing a lot of the story and things to this graphic novel that I've been working on. But you'll see the updates to that later in the week when I do a video update of that. Anyway, so today I thought about doing another toxic skull drawing, somewhat similar to that green one I did before, but I want to do it differently this time because I've had a more sort of detailed idea. So I just want to sketch the idea, and I want it to be looking sort of like that sewer skeleton that I did, but obviously you'll see the full skull, and I want it to be more detailed, so that's why I'm sketching it out beforehand instead of using a chunky marker pen. So let's sketch the eyes out, the nose socket, cheekbones rather quickly, two front teeth, maybe a little gap there. And I want there to be lots of drips, make it a totally toxic looking skull. So I'll have stuff dripping off. You don't see a faint outline at the moment, but once I start inking it, you'll see a lot of the sort of shape of it when there's stuff coming out of the eyes as well. It's always good, like doing like a toxic looking skull. It's almost like it's melting, but I'm gonna colour this up some really cool green colours. I'm just going to start to ink this now. I'm going to use the brush pen just for a lot of the outlines. Leave a few gaps for some drips. I don't want the skull to be totally properly round. I want it to look like all the flesh is just pouring off, sort of thing. So that's what we want to achieve the drawing. There's some gaps as well because I'm going to do loads of drips and other sort of fleshy bits all falling off. Just draw the bottom jaw, ink it, just try and miss a few bits here and there that I can just fill in with loads of drips. And then the frown lines. And I think that'll do with the possibly the thick lines. Let's sort a bit of that out. Just make that looking slightly even. And then I can use a thinner ink pen just to do the teeth. Change up some of the teeth, maybe give them some cracks and things. A missing tooth there. More drips and other stuff. totally toxic looking zombie skull. Zombie skull, where did I get that from? Just a skull. Although the green colours could make it look like a zombie skull, but no, it's a toxic skull. To get my words right. Working out all the drips and everything. The teeth need quite a few more cracks in there. I think it's going to be quite good, this skull drawing. It's I'm going to enjoy colouring it anyway with the green colours, pretty much like I did on that sewer skeleton thing that I mentioned earlier. All the stuff coming out of the eyes, so that's maybe all full with, I don't know, toxic garbage that's coming out of his eyes, eye sockets. There's more drips. It's like thick, gloopy green shit, I don't know, something like toxic waste probably. You know, something really horrible that's melting its face. Clean off something, you know, nice, you know, chewing teeth there. There's maybe some teeth in between all the drips as well, and another tooth there. Right, I think we've done quite a lot of the inking that I need to do. I'm going to start colouring it. So there is the variation that I've done. Slightly bit more detail on that, just keeping with the green and yellow colours. Still a bit more that I could do to it. I've missed a few white bits there, which I can just go over with a yellow. But yeah, Toxic Skull. There's better ways I can draw it. Not like quick for the camera like I've done here. Maybe a bit more time spent on it off camera. Or I can redraw something similar, but I like the idea of the Toxic Skull. Obviously, like, the drips need a bit more work on them, just to sort of make them part of this drawing, but I just like drawing skulls, so that's turned out okay. Anyway, that's today's vlog. Back on making these daily art vlogs. Cheers. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers now.